what are the details? You projected MOU. But already already kind assign be that.
There's a first. But how much the can sign before August ahead of the August? Especially with now go be MOU in who here.
Who here?
Who here?
Just a mere formality.
No, who here?
Okay.
Now, me don't be Samia.
Yeah,
I will tell you, say, it's just a mere formality, but it will not hold any substance.
It's when.
Go be how?
No, depending on your message for conducting.
Alan Kojo Chema, Choma was saying MOU before 26 August. And did see. O free party no mrabi achichire no. Mrabi achichire no. E woni mrabi achichire no. MOU the same MOU ya no. Absolutely.
But I think that time of free money. Bianca mrabi timi achichire or withdraw from the race no.
Number 2. Former MP. No, I am member of parliament. Oh, we actually want independent. The same MOU now I'm binding no. And I said the same like constitution I'm binding no. Oh, we he's a second deputy speaker of parliament. That is your more partner says you come back to the NPP. The same as Joe Wise. The same as any other independent candidates be as see and all relevant to NPP. So COVID is just a mere formality, but the restrictive and the say okay and the PCM. With or without a CMA, MPP can move on here. So to be a movie owner. With or without a CMA independent candidate. With or without him, because of this only party, no, and if the party or all us, and Ocasa or content crow, and penny and pa. Or one no would the tea now, Moko content crow in the back on the air constituency chairman is here. But the same runner that's who. Yes, you know that the campaign. But we don't get all the constituency chairman is here.
Oh, sir.
Yes, but we don't get a party runner. That's all. That is it.
He negotiated for the people.
That is it. So that is it. That's it. A runner that's all. But the runner it do ten beer.
You're relaxing a crack.
Of course, you pay to edit to change.
Kofi ya mramma nipa ya nye nipa mamra
enti omo MOU ni say oye den
Kofi MOU no
dem be say
Kofi nie was say acceptance of primary election results na say baby e be ku bia no
obaji atu
so what be that
na nyi ntu na nyi ntu
what be that
Kofi say MOU no ni nyina ka ade ba ko pe o de he promotion of peace and cohesion. Asumdue ene nkabom. Enye nkabom ya.
Wa obefre obi so abema ni showdown ye be UFM.
Enye asumdue ho asem ne. Enye nkabom ya no moka.
They should dare.
Kofi say.
Oh jai.
Kofi say.
Ya bremo ne de.
Kofi say.
Ya bremo ne de. Ken Pawon de. Ya bremo ne de.
Chairman say tie bi o.
Yes.
No resignation from the party. Enye nkabom ya.
Eno no wa be resign ye no ye no wo de.
Support for the winner. Enye nkabom ya.
Eno no.
Enforcement mechanism or say any dispute or violation of this MOU will be subjected to resolution within MPP's established internal dispute resolution mechanism in accordance with the party's constitution and bylaws. There's a way in this way. You don't have a process. You say udi and kabum no so. Any kabum ya. Timeline and duration. The MOU shall be in effect from the date of sign. Let's say Enra second week in. And will be added.
Answer say. The Kennedy to me mama ye show dance in biya ukuri.
There's no way.
Also if you could assign. And a France adeni mo assign. And no more dia dance here. Professor Aaron Michael Kwe or no ye chairman of the presidential election committee. And a kwabena bankwa ye bo no say vice chairman. Na wa ankasa wadan for William Yamwa no say member.
But there is no way. Everything you akoba say vice president aside. Na Kennedy say me sign. I mean it's just a mere formality because
until president just say ye dey amem fin na mamo sign ya na.
Yes, just a mere every leadership they don't have the balls.
But Enra na me hwe sa.
It's a very
now
important
video we. Enra na manfo nam say Kennedy vice president hu no wanchia no.
Oh no, but there are two things. You see, there are two things. It is not likely. And you make us say possible because let me do hobby. But don't you critically.
Wachia no ne dim komo. Je binya like class em ne toda. Toda mu ha mo ni. Munya butre. Wachia no one ne siri.
And no movie.
Munya butre na buntie me.
Aha. E di asem.
Sembeto wo ha. Me beto wase ho. Na bichia wa. Na beto wo ha no mu sei. Ase ho ye informal settings o. informal settings let me chia wa number 2 ha na say formal settings ah Kofi meto wa to be chia
no
e dey formal e dan ba ko pe ni e dan ba ko pe video ni na wo share video ni nie
propaganda
JB
Kofi me interview for my
video ni I tell for bra Facebook page
me interview video
one after the other me ba cho I tell for momra Facebook page ma me first one now we share no eni and wachia no odene sakura to ne nsachi be me na ho te say tedi o ka che no wo se wo te so no so no so wo na aso mam shoulder no so we dey sesa me dey sa na ye sesere eni wo wi an obe share nanim ho wo sanchi ade nya den
say yenya a full appreciation of the video now you probably understand then anka ye betimi aka say omo a odi kan chi a omo ha no muso okoto omo the same table no wasan chi omo bi no wasan chi omo bi
wait
no let's give a better analysis of this video.
I have had the opportunity to watch the video
full video
and then
is it a full video?
Listen,
yes, so let us not conclude because Kofi there are two issues we share no ha no muso we chia no fine, that is well understood, but it is not also likely say omo okosa koto omo table no hu ina no when they can show me that
no listen
when they can probably when they can show me that
was it probably
yes
we also don't have the video. You see Kofi in the world of politics yana propaganda no the whole year there unim Kofi me interview
what would have happened so chia na academy
me interview for my president
we chia first one
wachia na wi onu nchia bia why can I yes
me interview for my president John Dramani and I'm Musa say papa o share nyema ekwa oni the Messiah na and o ka say there be onu there or as Christian as he is no on fa ne ho toto Yesu ho so they say me explain me paraphrase you ehwa na manfo twa video no dia akatoa so a o cheche mu aka se nenso yamfa nka ho so they say 80 and people share the video for their own parochial interest because of political interest so they say but anyesa na video no so tie it is say ye twa video so e dia kan asem satisfy a certain interest in there in this world of politics possible. But the fundamental truth is that it is never true. So she about me, or she can uchem, and yet true, and you're not correct. He was the first person up the video, no. And I feel much now say, I'm just tempted to believe, say, the other candidates, as at that time, I know Kennedy Agyapong any interaction. Not the other candidates.
We are all making a possible.
So let us not conclude that he did.
Nobody is concluding.
He never met him. He met him.
Okay, roll me the full video. Just get a full video.
Fantastic. If you have
the full video,
we will have a better appreciation.
No.
And you
full video ni monto oboase wachia no atebo mo amoshe Facebook page. You can tell us there also what you would do any.
Me the question, the simple question is if you share the pa uchi ani minu na ide
na na SM chairman
obetu your te ho first one obetu ogina ho
ana na SM chairman
ko fi ya mutse obetu first one ogina ho
David Krom ya chairman
chairman na ide.
You see, this is politics we are doing. And politics
it
takes a different dimension because unim Oshia na wenja no unse no mom na take center stage. Oshia all the other aspirants no or mom na mo table no hu ida no. Oshia na no ye. But when share the was take into chan me na nka ye dey.
Bajo
we try show that.
We dia ba I for we are na mo aniko. Sometimes JB line of argument is overboard and how can you induce Kennedy JB we say Kofi you are now Kofi now a Baumia PR member Nana Jiri Boati Romeo and I have him but at the Moshe Facebook page let's put politics aside and let's face the reality. I think that against all politics Ochiano and Wachiana we nye da bia na nchianchia bebre nchianchia ne ntafre kwa na ama ye nsemu mfui no opesen nsemu mfui
onim ajampremo
one of the oldest
yes
and oldest is it a can
yes
marriage.
No, or a teacher, but also a radio communicator. I am told to say we're free.
Or a Presbyterian.
Yes, I am told to say we're free. I check a crap. I jump
free match.
Yes, but I think maybe here or two.
Oh, okay.
Me buy hand no musin and Chebian and Metis.
Oh, not me won't so you not about me hope.
Goofy. That papa who share 1,000 times, or which 1,000 times. Okay.
A prem one, I'm prem. I
just prem. Yes. Okay, the late Professor Mills.
Me
Mechawa.
Say, no person.
So, Kofi, what would be out the free banner? On the no person, J. Kofi, what would wear this video and where it is dragging the whole discussion to? Sir, yes, sir. Kennedy never told vice president to hold him away in Chiana. And I say, you quote Chiana first one, the second one, when Chiana. Obviously, the camera has captured two different scenes. Two different scenes, and the camera not capture. The first one, there was a greeting. At what point, Enuchiano, a hefa no Mushiaro Muchiano. At a second point, a hefa no beto na Ohuna Wenchiano. And then the see here. So, well, Tremu Horno Mokrana. And like a different ball game or different discussion altogether. But what's here? If you want to do and or do one was signed and one with Jennifer. What is wrong with you, Zobichiano? That is the basis of the discussion. Say, idea Nankabia, Freddie say, Kennedy, the last person crowd and Nankabia do when Jana Nankade, it is laudable. But before Kennedy Agyapong, there was another member. That is a kuta free. Esa Kennedy Agyapong kukuchia kuta free. Knowing very well, so when the catch under now, that is a fact. That is two.
What the catch kuta free dada.
No the catch here. Per the camera we saw. When the catch here, the different place. At what point where? Second, the second one we are seeing is and also so if I know who no. And the word that is the basis of the discussion.
The basis of the discussion is flawed.
Well, that is your decision.
Because Wachiano.
Go here.
Oh, Wachiano.
Yeah, yes, you. And yes, no, do I say my wave? No,
we don't know. Obi, I say, oh, reply my wife. Now, what are you going to make your day?
It's a bien. So it is the basis of this whole conversation. Okay, Kofi admitted. Let's admit without a you. Second, the Japan kwanu chiano. First one na. Ni nipa not in China so so.
Na so China.
Kofi that's what chia omo tinte mu no hu yina. It's the Kennedy now share the first one and no chiano. O chiano kwa because per the video we have seen Kennedy kwanu chiano. Meboa. Na ni nipa not in China so so. Ni nipa not in China so Kofi no so
so no so you hu ni chia no ye chia kan
the video we are seeing
ye chia bodyguard na bodyguard gina nchen bodyguard ye chia bodyguard
tobo hwe o chia mo ti first table no hu ina no chi obi a oduru Kennedy one oba pass ye
o start chia free ha ko
exactly o chia obi a nti ekoba ne sei
be me ne mi akwa
na wadi kan chia Kennedy
mi akwa me pen chia bebre
that is it hwe I mean it is so bad
o chia bebre na ho me
and then and no ho no go fit within they don't mean chia for nipa ba ko be 5 times won't mean chia that small formal settings no and no chia na nka ye dey
na ye hwe
and they say it's ready and they say it's ready here they can say you
Ochina the showdown is coming.
Kofi showdown in Baso.
And so with this MOU ebesi Sambi
Kofi ejina on se maka se MPP